Good morning, class. Hope you are fine. Today is Wednesday, 16th December 2020, and your topic is Pinocchio the Puppet. Today, we will do the back exercise of the chapter Pinocchio the Puppet. So, you have to take out your read now and open page number 83. Sharp your pencil before writing. On page number 83, you have to mention short date and seed. Read out, can you tell? Question number 1. Point to these parts of body: hair, eyes, ears, nose, cheeks, mouth, chin, neck, shoulders, arms, elbows, wrist, hands, finger, back, chest, waist, legs, knees, ankles, feet, and toes. Dear boys, you have to take out a skeleton, or you have to make a skeleton like that. Then you have to point out all the body parts which are given on your book like that. These are hair, nose, eyes, ears, cheeks, mouth, neck, elbow. Like that, you have to write all the body parts on the skeleton or on the picture. Okay? Read out question number 2. Which of these words should always start with a capital letter? You know that there are all the nouns, but when we have a proper noun, we have to write it into a capital letter. When we have name of special person, place, or thing, that is called proper noun. Okay, any person name is proper noun because all are not having similar name. Everyone is having a different name. Every day is not same name. Monday, Tuesday, we have different name of all the days. When we have different names or special names of things, that is called proper noun. Like that, read out the first word. It's a table. We call the table table. There is no special name of table, so there is no need to make it capital. Then next word is James. James is a name of boy. Every boy is not having the name James. Everyone is having different name: Ali, Ahmed, Nafe, Akrama. Everyone is having different name. So James is not a common name. So you have to make J capital here. Then chair. We call chair chair. There is no name of chair. Next word is Mary. Mary is name of girl. Every girl is having different name. Aisha, Amna, Fatima. Everyone is having different name. Maryam. Every girl is not having name Mary. So Mary is proper noun here. You have to make M capital of Mary. So you have to make M capital of Mary. It's a proper noun. Then garden, we call garden garden. There is no name of garden. When we have Jinnah garden, then we will write it capital as it will become a proper noun. Next word is basket. Basket is basket. We call basket basket. It's not a proper noun. It's only a noun. Ladder. Then we have Thursday. Thursday is name of a day. Every day is not Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we have Thursday. So it's a proper noun. It's day name. It's a special day name. Every day is not Thursday. So you have to make T capital here. It's proper noun. Feathers, forest, all are common noun. Barrel. July. What is July here? July is the name of month. Every month name is not July. We have January, February. June, July. Then we have to make J capital of July. It's a proper noun. Floor, we call floor. France, yes, France is the name of a country, so you have to make it capital. It's a proper noun. Every country has different name, so F should be capital. It's a proper noun. Sugar, we call sugar, so it's not a proper noun. Do it by yourself and then send me your feedback. Then you have to read out question number 3. Here is one, more than one. One thing is shelf. When we have more than one shelf, what is that? There are some rules of making singular into plural. When we convert a singular into plural, then when we have F at the last of word, then we will remove F and we will change it into VES. Okay. When we have Y at the last of the word, then we will remove Y and we will change it into IES when we are making it into a plural. Double O is converted into double E. Okay, there is another word which is with no change. So first word is shelf. When we will remove F and we will put VES, it will become shelves. Next word is lady. When we will remove Y and we will put IES, it will become ladies. Goose. Remove double O with double E. Then it will become geese. Foot. Remove double O and it will become feet. Sheep will remain sheep. There is no changing with sheep. Okay, do this work neatly on your note, on your book. Then read out question number 4. On which part of the body are these worn? Hat. Now you have to tell me that on which part of the body you wear the hat. Look here in this. Look here. The man is wearing hat on his neck or on his back. Where the man is wearing hat? Yes, the man is wearing hat on his head. So you have to write head here. The man is wearing hat on his head. Here you will write head. Then the collar. Look here in this picture. This is called collar. And the man is wearing collar on his neck. So you have to write the man is wearing collar on neck. Which part of body he is wearing collar? He is wearing collar on neck. Next word is gloves. We wear gloves on which part of body? Look here. The man is wearing gloves on his hands. So we wear gloves on hands. You have to write hands here. Next word is beads. On which part of body we wear beads? Look here in this picture. The girl is wearing beads on her hair. Okay, these are called beads and the girl is wearing beads on her hair. Okay, so here you have to write hair. Next word is ring. On which part of body we wear ring? Look here in this picture. The girl is wearing ring in her finger. So here you have to write finger. In finger we wear ring. Read out the next word which is wig. And we wear wig on the head. Look here. It's called wig. Artificial hair, fake hair. It's wig and the girl is wearing wig on her head. So we wear wig on head. Here you write head. H-E-A-D, head. Next word is bangle. We wear bangles in which part of body? Look here in this picture. These are the bangles which the girl is wearing in her wrist. Okay, these are for the girls, and men wear wrist watch. Okay, but the girls wear bangles. Your next word is ribbon, where we wear ribbon. And look here in this picture, the girl is wearing ribbon in her hair. Okay. Next word is scarf, where we wear scarf. And look here in this picture, the girl is wearing scarf in her neck. So here you have to write neck. Okay. And next word is shoes and belt. Here, look in this picture, the man is wearing belt on his waist and he's wearing shoes in his foot. Okay, here you have to write waist and foot. He is wearing belt on his waist and wearing shoes on his foot. Okay, do this work neatly on your book.